Hello and welcome guys. Today I'll show you how to quickly convert an image into a pencil sketch in Adobe Photoshop. So let's get started. Here a beautiful picture of Maitreya Buddha which I have clicked last year, and we will turn it into a pencil sketch. First of all, we will create a copy of this background layer, and for that we will go to Layer, New and go over to Layer via Copy option. We can also activate it by pressing Ctrl+J key from the keyboard. Now we will remove the color from this image by desaturating it, and for that we will go to Image, Adjustments and go over to Desaturate. Its shortcut key is Shift plus Ctrl plus U. We will create a copy of this layer by pressing Ctrl plus J. Now we will convert this layer into a smart object for non-destructive editing, and for that we will right click on it and select Convert to Smart Object option. Now we will convert this image into a negative, and for that we will go to Image, Adjustments and go down to Invert. Its shortcut is Ctrl plus I. Now we will change the blending mode and do it color dose from normal. Our document window will turn into a white background, but don't worry. Now we will go to Filter and go over to Other and select Minimum. A minimum dialog box will open. Now we will try different radius values, and by doing this we can see the different sketch effects. Then click on OK. If we don't satisfy with this effect and we want to change it, no problem. Just double click on this minimum text. A minimum dialog box will reopen. And we can also reset radius value by dragging this slider. When our desired settings are done, click on OK. We can see here our Maitreya Buddha image turned into a beautiful sketch. But here some part is missing. We can fix it with Brush tool. First create a new layer. Then select Brush tool and select Kylie Ultimate Pencil Hard Brush and draw here. Undo it. Make brush size little bit smaller by pressing left square bracket key and draw once again. Now it looks better. That's it for now. Hey guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe us. And yes, if you have any questions or suggestions, please post in the comment box. And don't forget to give thumbs up. Thanks for watching guys.